and different step inside the fertilization process. In today's session, we will going to discuss pregnancy and embryonic development and implantation process also. So that thing we will going to discuss in today's session. Okay, actually pregnancy and embryonic development is the complete whole part. Is divided in some other part like implantation, cleavage, and other things. Okay, so in today's session, we concentrate on cleavage and implantation part. Okay, and somehow gastrula development also. So this is for today. Before going to today's session, we go through some poll, and after that we will start with some previous with some question which based on your previous knowledge. Okay, so let's start with. Okay, 1 minute. Is it clear now? Okay, ठीक है. So देखते हैं. So let's start with technical poll. I am launching the poll for you, and after that we will start the session. Okay. Good evening to all of you again. Let's go toward the next question. Okay. So at the time of fertilization, chromosome number is whole, remain haploid, become diploid, does not change. Okay. I'm launching poll again. Okay. Please answer in poll. Sir, as per biology. Okay, so today we will go into cleavage and implantation. No worry about it, but some pregnancy part also come here, and that's why I am told in beginning. Actually, your madam gave the 7-day different timetable about different topic, but that topic not too much big to complete for completion in 7 days. वो उसके पहले ही हो जाएगा. I will talk about that with madam. Okay, Harsha incorrect, Nandish incorrect, Arun correct, next Srishti incorrect, Mulya correct. Harsha incorrect, Chetana incorrect. I don't know, Amit, if madam feel well, then madam continue your class. If don't, then I am again for your class. Correct, Ashwin. Good evening, Gopika. Correct, Shreya. Correct, Tanuja. Incorrect, Amit. So I am ending poll, guys. And this is your result. Maximum people choose an option C. Obviously, option C is the correct option. Then how option C is correct? So देखते हैं इसको. So first of all, what is the question? At the time of fertilization, chromosome number. First option is the whole. Whole means half. Whole means half. So this is not option because during fertilization process, you already know there have two cell. One is a sperm cell, next is a egg cell. Sperm cell have a 23 chromosome, egg cell have a 23 chromosome, and this chromosome is the n number of chromosome. Okay, and this n number of chromosome add in each other, and it develops into 2n. So you already know zygote formation happen here, and this zygote have a 2n number of chromosomes. That means 46 chromosome. It also known as a 23 pairs. Okay, so this thing happen after the fertilization process. So at the time of fertilization, chromosome number get double. Double means it have a 2n, or we can say 46 chromosome, and that's why option C is the correct. That is a diploid. Okay. So remain haploid actually is the wrong. Does not change also the wrong thing, because here is the answer, that is the become diploid. Okay. So let's start with the embryonic development. Actually, embryonic development is a vast part. We discussed the early embryonic development in today's session. After that, embryonic development happen in the fetus. That things also we're going to discuss. Or organ are developed into fetus in embryo. That also known as embryonic development. So we have embryonic development ही बोलते हैं. And after zygote formation, some ball of cell or mass of cell get developed. That also embryonic development. So let's start with the cleavage. Okay. So what is mean by cleavage? Anybody कोई बता सकता है? If you have any idea about cleavage, then you can answer it. If don't, then मैं ही बताता हूँ. Don't worry about it. ठीक है. So first of all, cleavage is the series of rapid mitotic division. I am repeat, cleavage is the series. So I am giving some heading about the cleavage. Okay, separation. ठीक है, Nandish. Actually, it is the division of cell, and this is the rapid development of cell. Okay, so I am right here. It is rapid mitotic division of zygote. ठीक है, and it is known as the cleavage. So in case of cleavage, what happen? Cleavage के केस में क्या होता है actually? So in case of cleavage, you can see here is the zygote. Zygote have a single cell structure. Okay, and that single cell structure converted into multicellular structure. ठीक है, and that's happen in the cleavage. यही चीज जो है हमें क्लीवेज में देखने को मिलती है. That is single cell zygote, convert into multicellular structure. Single cell zygote convert into multicellular structure, and that multicellular structure finally known as the blastocyst, or we also known as blastula. उसे हम blastula कहते हैं. Okay, or it also known as the blastocyst. Actually, blastocyst is the structure after morula. Okay, but up to the blastocyst, it also known as blastula. ठीक है, but the target of cleavage is to develop a blastocyst. मतलब हमारे cleavage का target क्या है? Form the zygote toward the blastocyst. मतलब from the zygote हमें क्या बनाना है? That is the blastocyst. हमें in the sense हमारा जो body रहेगा, zygote रहेगा, ठीक है, cell रहेगा, it develop, it convert into the blastocyst. ठीक है, it converted into the blastocyst. So this process from zygote to conversion of zygote into blastocyst is known as the cleavage process. उसे हम क्या कहेंगे? Cleavage process. So let's start the process actually. So how this process happen? This is an important thing because some stages are important in process of the cleavage, and some stages are important for your study, and that's why we going some uh, reviews, or we can say we go through some fast revision for this process. So the journey start from the zygote. Okay, then how zygote form? You already know. Zygote form with the help of fertilization process. So I am right here the fertilization. Okay, so here zygote develop with the help of sperm and eggs. Next stage is known as the two-cell stage. Two-cell stage. Okay, and that two-cell stage also known as blastomeres. Okay, it also known as blastomeres. So please remember this word, that is blastomere. Okay, then what's happened here? This is the single cell zygote. This single cell zygote converted into two cell or divided into two cell, and this two cell is known as blastomere. इसे हम कहते हैं blastomere. Next thing is the four cell stage. Four cell stage. Okay, and this four cell stage occur after fertilization. Okay, and the timing for the development of four cell is 40 hours. Okay, and that 40 hour means after fertilization. Okay, so from zygote to two cell stage, the development of two cell stage happening after 30 hours. Okay, after 30 hours means after fertilization. That means fertilization happen in 0 hour. After that 30 hour two cell stage coming. After fertilization, four cell stage coming after 40 hours. Okay. Next stage is the 8 cell stage. So here you can see this two cell again develop into two cell. Okay, and here four cell stage come. Okay, sorry, 8 cell stage come. Okay, so you can see the 8 cell stage here. Okay, and this 8 cell stage coming, the time period for the 8 cell stage is 3 days. Okay, after fertilization, that means fertilization start on 0 time. Okay, then after 3 days, 8 cell stage, sorry, 8 cells are developed. Okay, 8 cell develop means here you can see in diagram simultaneously. Here two cell developed by the each cell. Okay, so you can see the 8 cell. After that, his 8 cell converted into the 16 cell. Okay, and this 16 cell is known as morula. ठीक है, इसे हम क्या कहेंगे? Morula. Then why it called morula? Actually, in case of morula, there have lot of bunch of cells are developed, or we can say solid ball of cell developed. For example, it look like that. Okay, and it look like a mulberry. Okay, mulberry is a one of fruit. Okay, and that's why it is a morula. इसके वजह से इसका नाम जो है मोरूला है. And it happened after 4 days of fertilization process. ये कब होगा? 4 दिन के बाद, after 4 days of fertilization process. So you can इसको फिर से हम और दो दो सेल को जोड़ सकते हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल लाइक दैट इज अ 16 cell stage. After that, this 16 cell converted into the blastocyst. Means there have some remarkable stages. First remarkable stage is the zygote, formation of zygote. Next is the blastomere. After that, morula stage. Okay, and after morula, it converted into 64 cells. Okay, and that 64 cell is known as the blastocyst. उसे हम क्या कहेंगे? Blastocyst. Okay, so what is the difference between morula and blastocyst? Morula और blastocyst का difference क्या है? This is the blastocyst. Okay, anybody किसको पता है? So the main difference in blastocyst and morula is, for example, this is the blastocyst. So in case of blastocyst, cells are arranged. Okay, it arranged like this. इस तरीके से arrange होगा cell यहाँ पर. And some cell are lumped in one side only. And some cavities are developed here. You can see the cavity, open space developed here. Okay, cells are arranged like this. But in case of morula, it present in everywhere. Okay, ये zygote जो है, ये पूरा जो structure है, इसमें सभी तरफ हमें सेल दिखेगा. In case of 16 cell, okay, but in case of blastocyst, it arranged in specific manner. Okay, so after blastocyst, it attaches to the uterine wall. मतलब blastocyst stage आ गया, उसके बाद it attaches to the uterine wall. For example, this is the structure of vagina, female reproductive system. Okay, so this is uterine wall and this blastocyst attached to here. Okay, so during this process happening, that means during cleavage happening, the transformation, or we can say movement of this ball of cell also happen. That means you already know the process of fertilization happen in fallopian tube. Okay, but this blastocyst attaches to the uterine wall. ये uterine wall को ये attach होता है. Okay, so during this cleavage happening, at that time, this ball of cell also going toward the uterine wall. मतलब ये तब तक कहां पर जाएगा? uterine wall. हाँ, so after 16 cell stage, ठीक है, यहाँ पे और 6 days तक, मतलब 6 से 5 से 6 दिन जो है वो लेता है 64 स्टेज में जाने के लिए. And on the 7th day after fertilization, it attaches to this uterine wall. मतलब 7th day में ये uterine wall पे attach होता है. You can clarify your ideas to let's see this picture. यहाँ पर clearly idea को clarify हो जाएगा. मैंने 7 day बोला है ना यहाँ पे, ठीक है, ये कम ज्यादा हो सकता है 8 to 7 day like that. ठीक है, तो ये idea clear हो जाएगा. You can see here. So this is the ovulation process. Here fertilization get happen. Okay, and this is the first cleavage. Next second cell stage. Next 4 cell stage. Next 8 cell morula. Okay, this is the again 8 cell compacted morula. This is 16 cell stage, 64 cell stage. Okay, that is blastomere developed here. Sorry, blastocyst developed here, and this attached to this wall. Okay, so this is one of diagram. You can clarify your all things, all issues from this diagram. So this thing also known as the blastocyst. इसको भी blastocyst कहा जाता है, but complete blastocyst is the disk which develop into differentiate structure, जो differentiate structure में develop होता है. In some books this thing also known as the blastocyst, इसको भी blastocyst बोला गया है. ठीक है. So इसको हम और clarify करते हैं, that is a early blastocyst. ठीक है. And this is the late stage of blastocyst. Okay, and here implantation get happen. यहाँ पर होगा implantation. So this is the complete system or complete process of cleavage. इसे हम क्या कहेंगे? Cleavage, and it happening up to the attachment to the uterine wall. ये attachment होने तक चलता रहेगा. If you have any type of doubt, you can ask in chat box. If you don't have, then you can click yes in CFU. अगर डाउट हो तो पूछो, नहीं है तो आप CFU में क्लिक करो. सिंपल सा चीज है. इसमें क्या ध्यान में रखना है? What is important for your examination? So there have some stages. For example, second cell stage is important, and please remember name of second cell stage. That is a blastomere. Please remember, don't confuse with blastocyst and blastomere. ठीक है. Next thing is the 16 cell stage, that is known as morula. ठीक है. Actually 8 cell to 16 cell stage called morula, but अगर हम clarify करें then 16 cell stage is the morula. ठीक है. But some says 8 to 16 is the morula. मतलब यहाँ से यहाँ तक का जो development रहेगा that is a morula. उसको भी morula कहा जाता है. But morula अगर हम बोले for our NEET examination, that is a 16th cell stage. So after 6 to 7 days, ठीक है, it converted into 64 cell. Okay, after fertilization, and this 64 cell stage is known as a blastocyst. उसे कहा जाता है blastocyst. So what is blastocyst? Blastocyst is the group of bunch of organizer cell, okay, which ready to attach uterine wall of female reproductive system. मतलब जो uterine wall को attach होने के लिए ready रहेगा, that is a blastocyst. उस चीज को हम कहते हैं blastocyst. Okay, any type of doubt in your mind? If you have any type of doubt, then you can ask. Student who attend classes from YouTube, they can ask in chat box of YouTube. Okay, ठीक है प्रतीक्षा. ठीक है guys, so let's move toward the next क्या है? So next thing is the blastocyst formation, and we discussed in last slide about the cleavage. हमने cleavage process देखा है, but this is the complete blastocyst formation in detail. यहाँ पर हमें blastocyst को थोड़ा detail में देखना है. For example, here this stage also you learn, that is a zygote stage. After zygote, it converted into 2 cell stage. So you can observe the different, we can say differentiation, or we can say you can observe the different part of cell here, and you conclude the development inside the cell. मतलब development कैसा हो रहा है cell के अंदर, ये conclude कर सकते हैं. For example, this is a simple zygote. Simple zygote have a polar body, zona pellucida, nucleus. This thing also present in the zygote. In next cell, you can see the 2 cells. This is one cell. This is a next cell. Okay. In 2 cells, again your body present. Blastomeres are start to develop. यहाँ पर blastomere का development start होगा. And here zona pellucida present. This is 4 cell stage. You can see the 4 cells. Again, you can see 8 cells. You can see the 16 cells. That is a morula stage. And after that, you can see the complete blastocyst. That is a 64 cell stage. So, what is the difference between a morula and blastocyst? So, I am already clear this difference in last slide. So, you can see the zona pellucida. That means zona pellucida start breaking here. मतलब यहाँ पे zona pellucida टूटना शुरू हो गया. You can see cell mass. ठीक है. So, this is an aggregated cell. This is a bunch of cell. and up to the blastocyst stage, it get aggregated. Then why it aggregated? Because it start to develop, और वी कैन से इट इज अ फ्यूचर एम्ब्रियो, मतलब यहाँ पर एम्ब्रियो का डेवलपमेंट स्टार्ट होगा आगे चलते. ओके, दैट्स व्हाई इट गेट एग्रीगेटेड. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कौन सा स्टेज आएगा? बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ एम्ब्रियो, इट यूजफुल फॉर द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ प्लासेंटा एंड अम्बिकल कॉर्ड. मतलब ये प्लासेंटा और अम्बिकल कॉर्ड बनाने के लिए काम में आएगा. देखेंगे हम आगे इसको भी. And here some cavity get developed, and this cavity is known as a blastocoel. इस cavity को हम क्या कहेंगे? Blastocoel. And this is the one of layer developed, or we can say arrangement of cell. And this arrangement, outer arrangement of cell is known as trophoblast. इसे हम क्या कहते हैं? Trophoblast. So guys, from the blastocyst, there have some things are important जो हम लेंगे यहाँ पर. बाकी चीजें जो है वो ज्यादा दिमाग लगाने वाली नहीं है, बट समथिंग आर इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर आवर लेसन, वो हम यहाँ पर देखते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर. फॉर एग्जांपल, आई एम ड्राइंग द डायग्राम हियर अगेन. दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ blastocyst, and you can see the cell of mass here. So this is the cell mass. Okay, so there have two poles. This is the trophoblast. There have two poles present in a blastocyst. This pole is known as animal pole. इसे हम कहेंगे animal pole. Okay, and animal pole is the side where cell mass is coagulated. Okay, I repeat, here cell mass coagulated or bunch of cell are present in blastocysts. That side is known as animal pole. उस side को हम क्या कहेंगे? Animal pole. And opposite to animal pole, the next pole is known as abembryonic. Abembryonic pole. It known as abembryonic pole. So please remember animal pole and abembryonic pole. This thing is important. ठीक है? For your examination. What is meant by abembryonic pole? It is opposite to animal. And what is meant by animal? Where cell mass is present, that side is known as animal pole. This thing is important for your examination. Okay. Next thing is the trophoblast. So we will going to discuss in detail about trophoblast. Trophoblast के बारे में हम detail में देखेंगे. Okay. So guys, a trophoblast have a two sides. Okay, so you can see in this diagram. Okay, this is the inner side of trophoblast, or you can see in this diagram. इस diagram में भी देख सकते हो. This is the inner side of trophoblast. Okay, for example, this part is the inner side, and this is the outer side of trophoblast. So there have two names for the inner side and outer side. ठीक है? For example, in case of inner side, so inner trophoblast is known as, inner trophoblast को हम क्या कहते हैं? It known as syncytiotropoblast. Sorry, not the inner, outer side. थोड़ा कंफ्यूज हो गया मैं. For outer side, it known as syncytiotropoblast. Actually, there have a lot of important of syncytiotropoblast. Syncytiotropoblast is important for the development of placenta. Syncytiotropoblast important for the attachment. and that's why we study it. Next thing is the inner side of trophoblast. So inner side of trophoblast is known as cytotrophoblast. Cytotrophoblast. Then what is the function of trophoblast actually? So trophoblast is a useful for nourishment. Okay, it is useful for nourishment of this mass of cell. मतलब mass of cell का जो nourishment होता है, it happen with the help of trophoblast. ये किसके मदद से होगा? Trophoblast के मदद से होगा. It helps to provide nutrition to the embryo. Okay. Next thing is this cell, that is trophoblast cell, also converted into chorion and amnion. Okay, and this chorion and amnion is the part of, so I am right here, trophoblast also converted into two parts, that is chorion and amnion. And this chorion and amnion are the part of placenta. ठीक है, ये क्या है? प्लासेंटा के पार्ट. And that's why trophoblast is a very important from the blastocyst. Okay, so this thing, I think you understood this thing, that means animal pore, and this thing also you understand that is a trophoblast. Okay, so if you have any type of doubt in it, you can ask in chat box. If don't, then we will go into the next. किसी को डाउट है? सिंपल सा चीज है, मैंने पहले ही बता दिया. We already talked what things want to remember in your mind, because that thing is the important. Okay, so please remember these terms, different type of terms. Okay, Amit, we will going to discuss about the placenta. ठीक है, हम डिस्कस करेंगे इन फ्यूचर लेक्चर्स और फ्यूचर स्लाइड्स अबाउट प्लासेंटा, तभी आपको अच्छे से समझ में आएगा. फिलहाल के लिए मैं कुछ नहीं कह पाऊंगा इसके ऊपर. हाँ, ओके, कोरियन एंड एमनियन थोड़ा 1 minute, I am right again. Amnion, कोरियन एंड एमनियन. ठीक है, ठीक है. So let's go toward the next. What is the next? So this is the type of cleavage division. Actually, this part is not included in your syllabus. But we go through some general thing also. हमें और भी चीजें देखना चाहिए जो आजू बाजू में है हमारे. So here type of cleavage division. Actually, there have mainly two type of cleavage division. But if you go through some developmental biology books, there are a lot of type, बहुत सारे type है. But we want to study mainly two type. हमें दो type ही देखना है यहाँ पर. So here you can see the meroblastic cleavage and holoblastic cleavage. Okay. Then these types are based on yolk concentration. Yolk concentration. Okay. Then what is mean by yolk, guys? You already know about the egg structure. This is the egg, and if this is the egg from hen, okay, it contains some type of yellowish material inside it, okay, and this known as the yolk. उसे हम क्या कहेंगे? Egg yolk. So a different cleavage division happened due to the concentration of yolk. मतलब yolk का जैसा जैसा concentration रहेगा, because some egg have a very low concentration of yolk, some egg have a lot of yolk concentration. Okay, and it divided into two parts. First is a meroblastic cleavage and holoblastic cleavage. Okay, then what is mean by meroblastic? Meroblastic का मतलब क्या होता है? First of all, so here in a meroblastic cleavage, the cleavage of egg remain incomplete. That means small portion of cytoplasm is cleaved. इसका मतलब ये होता है, what is it meaning? For example, you can see in this picture, इस picture में देखो, this is the egg and egg have a lot of egg yolk. इसमें बहुत सारा egg yolk है. That means maximum portion of egg are covered by the yolk. ठीक है, मतलब maximum portion किससे cover है? Yolk से cover है. That means there have very low space for the development of cell, and that means there have very low division happen. मतलब सेल का डिवीजन कैसा रहेगा? बहुत ही कम रहेगा. So you can see in this definition again, egg remain incomplete. Okay, मतलब egg जो है वो पूरा का पूरा नहीं बनता है और इसमें डेवलपमेंट नहीं होता है. So meroblastic cleavage, the cleavage of egg remain incomplete. That means small portion of cytoplasm is a cleaved. Okay, small portion of cytoplasm means there have very low, or we can say minimum development of cell happen in case of meroblastic. Okay, so in case of holoblastic, in holoblastic cleavage, complete cleavage happens. So you can see this diagram. Okay, so this is the egg cell, or we can say zygote, and it development happen, and here complete cells are developed. मतलब यहाँ पे पूरा का पूरा cell develop हुआ. But in case of meroblastic, there have only some portions are we can say covered by the cells, and some portion have a yolk. कुछ portion में yolk. Second point देखते हैं. The cleavage furrow does not through the whole egg. Then what is meant by cleavage furrow? Cleavage furrow is nothing but the division. Okay. For example, I am added the furrow between this circle. That means this circle converted into the two part. Again, I am added furrow. It converted into four part. So this is the furrows. Furrow means nothing but it is a division. So division जो है वो whole egg में नहीं होगा. That is whole egg not capable for the development of furrow. But in case of holoblastic, the cleavage furrow goes all the way through the fertilized egg. This is occur in large egg that contain high amount of yolk. So example of meroblastic cleavage is the bird. Okay, so bird have a high yolk egg. Okay, and it occur in large egg, and bird have a also large egg. ठीक है. In case of holoblastic, it occur in small egg. Okay, for example humans, इसका example human है. ठीक है, human have a small egg. Next, it occur in a less telolacethal and centrolacethal egg. So telolacethal and centrolacethal is the type of meroblastic cleavage. ठीक है, इसको देखेंगे हम. And next the isolacethal and mesolacethal, इसको भी देखेंगे. ठीक है. Next thing, actually this is the type of not cleavage, sorry. ठीक है, ये एक का type है. Next is this give rise to this is the different type of cleavage, but we don't go in deep about the cleavage. Cleavage के बारे में ये पूरा नहीं देखेंगे because this is a very vast ये बहुत ज्यादा वास्ट है एंड दिस इज नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर यू ऑल्सो, ये इम्पोर्टेंट भी नहीं, ठीक है सर। हाउ समय, आई डोंट नो अबाउट सिंचना, मैं इसका रीजन ढूंढूंगा अगर ऐसा कुछ है तो, स्टिल आई डोंट नो अबाउट इट, ठीक है। सो गाइज इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट इन दिस देन यू कैन कमेंट, अगर कुछ चीज समझ में नहीं आया होगा तो कमेंट कर सकते हो। चलिए हम है ना टाइप देखते हैं थोड़ा सा, डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ फोर्थ पॉइंट, ओके सो इन, हाँ तो ये फोर्थ पॉइंट हम क्लियर करेंगे। इसने पूछा क्वेश्चन, हर्षा, वी विल गोइंग इन डिटेल अबाउट दिस फोर्थ पॉइंट, इसके बारे में हम इसको जो है क्लियर करेंगे। सो टाइप्स ऑफ एक का टाइप देखते हैं, ठीक है। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आइसोलेसिथल, okay, so you already know there have two types, first is a first or second whatever you can say, that is a holoblastic, okay, sorry, meroblastic, so meroblastic have a two type, actually there have no two type, lot of type also, but we study about the two type only, ठीक है, हम दो ही टाइप देखेंगे इसमें, that is the telolesithial, telolesithal egg. So what happened in telolesithal? Okay, so in telolesithal the yolk distribution is uneven, okay, as well as yolk concentration is a maximum, yolk concentration is a maximum as well as distribution is uneven, ठीक है, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन कैसा रहेगा, uneven रहेगा, ओके। एंड एग्जांपल फॉर telolesithal egg is, इसका एग्जांपल क्या क्या है, एग्जांपल इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, दैट इज अ बर्ड, okay, next example is a reptiles, and next example is the fish, some fishes, okay. Next thing, that is a B thing, is the centrolesithal, centrolesithal. So this centrolesithal egg have egg yolk present in a central site, in central cell, as central site, and that's why it is known as a centrolesithal. An example for centrolesithal is the arthropoda, ठीक है। Next thing is second type, that is a holoblastic, Okay, so in case of holoblastic, there have two type again. Okay, इसमें भी दो टाइप हमने देखे, that is isoleucithal. Okay, then what happen in isoleucithal? So egg yolk is a very low. Yolk is a very low. ठीक है, प्लस इसमें और एक चीज है, इक्वल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ एग. इक्वल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ yolk. ठीक है, and examples for this is mammals. Okay, and some fishes. Oh. No, it present from beginning. ठीक है, next thing is a mesoleucithal. Okay, so what happened in case of mesoleucithal? In case of mesoleucithal, moderate amount of yolk present. Moderate amount of yolk present. Okay, moderate in the sense, in case of haloblastic, there have low amount. Okay, obviously low amount रहेगा. But in compare with isoleucithal, in case of mesoleucithal, there have moderate amount. उसमें moderate amount रहेगा. And examples are, इसका example है amphibians. Okay, next is a shark. Okay, and some ganoid fish. Ganoid fish. Then what is mean by ganoid fish, guys? For example, this is the fish. ये हमारा fish है. Okay, this is the fish, and this fish contains some diamond shape scale. इस फिश के बॉडी पर कैसा है, डायमंड शेप स्केल है, and that diamond shape scale containing fish known as ganoid fish, उसे हम कहते हैं ganoid. ये मेरा रोमस हो गया क्या? हाँ, डायमंड ऐसा रहता है फॉर एग्जाम्पल. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, बट प्लीज रिमेम्बर डायमंड शेप. डायमंड कैसे होता है? ठीक है, ऐसा कुछ रहेगा शेप लाइक दैट. ठीक है, डोंट वरी अबाउट इट, सिर्फ डायमंड ध्यान में रखना. दैट इज नोन एज ganoid fish, उसे हम कहते हैं ganoid fish. Let's come to the next, guys. If you have any type of doubt in it, type of egg, then you can ask your doubt. Okay, so come to the next. Next is question. And what is the question? Blastomere are daughter cell formed in the process of cleavage, fertilization, implantation, gametogenesis. Okay, हर्षा, 1 minute. हम क्वेश्चन को ले लेते हैं पहले, उसके बाद फिर से देखेंगे. I am launching the poll for you guys. Please answer it. करेक्ट हर्षा, करेक्ट यशस्विनी, करेक्ट श्रीनिधि, करेक्ट मूल्या. ओके करेक्ट. तनुजा इनकरेक्ट, सिंचना करेक्ट, मनीष करेक्ट, अभिषेक करेक्ट. Nandish correct. Okay. करेक्ट गोपिका, करेक्ट अजय कुमार. ठीक है चलिए. सो आई एम एंडिंग द पोल नाउ and this is your result. Maximum people choose an option A. Obviously option A is the correct option. Then how it correct कैसे? So you can see blastomere are daughter cell form in the process of cleavage. Actually this is one of direct question. Okay, so fertilization process happen before development of blastomere. Okay, and in case of fertilization process the zygote get formed. यहाँ पर zygote का formation होगा. In case of implantation process it happen after the process of development of blastomere. मतलब blastomere बनने के बाद. And here blastocyst is important for implantation. So I am right, blastocyst. ठीक है, यहाँ पे तो है already. Next is gametogenesis. So gametogenesis is a very we can say it is a not relate to this complete process. That is blastomere के साथ ये relate नहीं करता. That is gametogenesis, because gametogenesis happen in individual body. It not happen in zygote. Okay, इस zygote के अंदर नहीं होता. That's why this is not answer, this is not, and this is not also. Okay, coming to the next is fertilization can only occur if sperm reaches to the ampullary isthmic junction before the ovum. Ovum reaches to ampullary isthmic junction before the sperm. Sperm are transported to the uterus and ovum to the fallopian tube simultaneously. Sperm and ovum are transported simultaneously to the ampullary isthmic junction. So in this question you want to answer, okay, you want to answer very correct option. ठीक है, हमें very correct option जो है here the possibility of fertilization is maximum. So please choose this option. वो option को choose करो. Correct सिंचना, correct नंदिश, correct अमित, correct श्रीनिधि, correct हर्षा, correct नंदिश, correct मूल्या, correct सृष्टि, correct अश्विन KS from YouTube. ओके, जीवन इनकरेक्ट. So I am ending the poll, guys, and this is your result. Maximum people choose an option D. Obviously, option D is the correct. Then how it correct? Correct कैसा है देखते हैं. ठीक है. So fertilization can only occur if sperm reaches to the ampullary ischemic junction before the ovum. If sperm reaches to the ischemic ampullary junction before the ovum, then the chances is high sperm get inactivated. ठीक है, ये इनएक्टिव होने के चांसेस ज्यादा. If ovum reaches to ampullary ischemic junction before the sperm, then chances is high for the inactivation of ovum or egg cell. Inactivation in the sense this cell get useless, this cell also get useless. Okay. Next thing, sperm are transported to the uterus and ovum to the fallopian tube simultaneously. Sperm are transported to the uterus and ovum to the fallopian tube. Then here, no, we can say mating or fusion of sperm and egg cell happen in this statement. ये तो पूरा ही गलत है, ठीक है, ये तो गलत है, ठीक है. So this is a very correct statement, that is sperm and ovum are transported simultaneously to the ampullary ischemic junction, because you already know ampullary ischemic junction is the important for the fertilization process. Fertilization event happen in this junction, and that's why option D is the correct option. Okay, coming to the next guys. So next thing is the implantation. Okay, then implantation means what? Implantation is the process where blastocyst, so I am right here, blastocyst attach to, किसे अटैच करता है? यूटेरिन वॉल, uterine wall of female reproductive system. Okay, that is known as, that process known as implantation process. उस process को हम क्या कहेंगे? Implantation process. Okay, so this process happen after 8 days of fertilization. मतलब ये process कब होता है? 8 डे पे होता है fertilization के बाद. Okay, so for this process there have two layer of trophoblast is important. You can see first is the cytotrophoblast, sorry, inner side layer is the cytotrophoblast, and next is the syncytotrophoblast. So we already discussed about cytotrophoblast and syncytotrophoblast. Okay, you can see the amnion part, and this is the amnion cavity, and you can see the endometrium layer of uterus. मतलब ये endometrium layer है, and this part is the uterine endometrium epithelium. मतलब बाहर साइड वाला जो epithelium है of endometrium wall. ठीक है, and इसके साथ ये होगा fuse, it fuse on this wall, and it develop some structure here, you can see, and this structure development is important for the nourishment of inside a cell. ठीक है, then this structure also, that means this structure is converted into placenta in next stage. मतलब ये structure जो है आगे चल के प्लासेंटा में कन्वर्ट हो जाए. ठीक है, चलिए अब यहाँ पर एक बात इंपॉर्टेंट है, दैट इज syncytotrophoblast is a mix with wall cell. मतलब ये wall cell के साथ मिक्स होता है, and it provided nutrition, और ये क्या करेगा? न्यूट्रिशन प्रोवाइड करने का काम करेगा. Actually, in next stage, we will going to discuss about some development. For example, this wall, this trophoblast wall also develop some villi here. ठीक है, chronic villi here. ठीक है, यहाँ पर कुछ villi का डेवलपमेंट होता है. ठीक है, and that villi is important for the placenta. और वो placenta के लिए क्या है, important रहेगा. ठीक है, किसी को डाउट है इसमें? In case of implantation. ठीक है, चलिए. और एक चीज यहाँ पर ध्यान में रखना जरूरी है. ठीक है, यहाँ पे दो लेयर का फॉर्मेशन होता है when it attaches. Okay, so you can see two layer, that is a hypoblast and epiblast. Okay, ठीक है, यहाँ पर दिख रहा है ना दो लेयर. So this cell of mass, inner cell of mass arranged into the two layer, that is a hypoblast and epiblast. Then hypoblast and epiblast means what? ठीक है, so hypoblast layer present in outer side, epiblast layer present in inner side. Inner side in case of this cell, but this epiblast converted into the ectoderm later stages. मतलब ये epiblast जो है बाद में ectoderm में convert होगा later stages के अंदर. ठीक है, so please remember this two type of layer develop in this process. Implantation process में ये हमें देखने को मिलता है. ठीक है, चलिए. If you have doubt, then you can ask. हाँ, yes sir, correct. हाँ, एनिमल पोल अटैच होता है यहाँ पे. ठीक है, चलिए. अगेन वन थिंग यहाँ पर रिमेम्बर आपको रखना है तो रख सकते हैं, वैसे हम लेने वाले हैं इन फ्यूचर स्लाइड्स. अवर बॉडी, दैट इज ह्यूमन बॉडी, मेड फ्रॉम द 3 लेयर्स. ठीक है, 3 लेयर से हमारा बॉडी बना है. यू कैन सी द 2 लेयर हियर. यहाँ पर 2 लेयर हमें दिख रहा है. ठीक है, but it converted into 3 layer during the gastrulation phase. जब gastrulation phase चालू होगा उस समय में 3 layer में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. देखेंगे आगे. ओके, कुछ नहीं मोनिशा, epiblast and hypoblast is the only layer. That means you can see the inner cell mass in this case. यहाँ पर you already know blastocyst have inner cell mass, and this inner cell mass differentiated into 2 layers, that is hypoblast and epiblast. So epiblast is converted into the epiderm. Okay, sorry, ectoderm. ये ectoderm में convert हो जाएगा next stages में. Then what is meant by ectoderm हम देखने वाले हैं, because our body, that is human body, developed from the 3 layers, that is ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. I think you already know about it. Actually, this thing also completed in 11th standard. ठीक है, तो ये 3 लेयर में इसका कन्वर्शन होगा, बस बाकी कुछ नहीं. बट यहाँ पर 2 लेयर का डेवलपमेंट हो जाता है, बस इतना ही मुझे कहना था. ठीक है, चलिए कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट. अब देखिए गाइस कि कुछ चीजें जो है यहाँ पर जान लेना जरूरी है. दैट इज रोल ऑफ ज़ोना पेलुसिडा. एक्चुअली ज़ोना पेलुसिडा इज डिसअपियर आफ्टर अटैचमेंट. मतलब ज़ोना पेलुसिडा कंप्लीटली डिसअपियर हो जाएगा आफ्टर अटैचमेंट टू द यूटेरिन वॉल. ठीक है, सो व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ ज़ोना पेलुसिडा हियर? इट स्टॉप प्लासेंटेशन इन इम्प्रॉपर साइट. दैट मींस इट इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द गाइडेंस. मतलब ये क्या करेगा, गाइड करेगा किसको, फॉर द प्लासेंटेशन प्रोसेस. ठीक है, सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ ज़ोना पेलुसिडा दिस ब्लास्टोसिस्ट is we can say find the proper direction. ठीक है, proper we can say place for the placentation in the sense attachment. मतलब वो attachment placentation के लिए proper place को ढूंढेगा, and it disappear in the blastocyst form. Again, one hormone is released from the trophoblastic cell. एक हार्मोन रिलीज होता है from the trophoblastic cell, and this hormones is known as human chorionic gonadotropin. ठीक है, and it is important for the development of प्रोजेस्टेरॉन। ये किसके लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है? प्रोजेस्टेरॉन के डेवलपमेंट के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है। आई थिंक you listen about the one of test that is a 1 minute guys. That test is known as Gravindex test. Gravindex test. Then what is meant by Gravindex test, guys? Nandish, we will going to discuss in next day about twin, so don't worry. Okay, what is mean by Gravindex? सुना है क्या? मैडम ने पढ़ा है क्या about the Gravindex test? Okay, ठीक है, don't worry. So I think you listen the next test. Yes, ठीक है. That is a pregnancy test. Okay. Then what is a pregnancy test? So pregnancy test is a nothing but the test of presence of human chorionic gonadotropin hormone. इसका presence ही जो रहता है, that is a pregnancy test. I think madam talk about the Pregra news and pregnancy kit history. ये एक ऐसा pregnancy kit रहेगा, okay? And here added urine sample. यहाँ पर urine sample को add किया जाता है, and after some time, if woman is pregnant, there have 2 lines are come. Okay, these 2 line. Okay, ठीक है, चलिए. So these 2 line denoted the presence of HCG, and this HCG release after the attachment. मतलब ये ट्रोपोब्लास्टिक सेल जो है उसको रिलीज करता जाएगा. ठीक है, चलिए. Coming to the next, guys. What is next? Next is the gastrulation process. Then what is meant by gastrulation process? So gastrulation process is the transformation of blastocyst into the gastrula. Then what is meant by gastrula? For example, in first stage there have only one cell, that is the zygote. In next stage we already learned 2 cell stage, 16 cell stage, and after that we discuss about blastocyst. So blastocyst have only bunch of cells. मतलब blastocyst में क्या है? सिर्फ सेल का bunch है. Okay, but if this blastocyst want to develop into organism, then different type of layer is developed. Different type of layer is developed, and this layer is known as germ layer. Okay, and there have 3 type of germ layer. Okay, then what is 3 type? First is the endoderm. Okay, or we can say ectoderm से शुरू करते हैं. Ectoderm, this is the outer side layer. Okay, next is the mesoderm. This layer present in middle side. Okay, and next layer is the endoderm. So guys, these 3 layers are important for the development of different organ. Okay, that means this ectoderm is important for development of hair. ठीक है, इससे बनेंगे hair. Okay, it important for the development of the skin. So this outer body part are made from the ectoderm. Once again मैं बताता हूँ Harsha. Here you can see the gastrulation. Then what is mean by gastrulation? So gastrulation nothing but the transformation, okay, of blastocyst into the gastrula. Then gastrula is one of stage where develop three layers, okay, and that three layers develop from the two layer. Then which two layer? कौन से two layer से बना है blastocyst में? You already see here. That is hypoblast and epiblast. मतलब पहले hypoblast और epiblast बनेगा. After that, gastrula get developed and gastrula have a 3-layer wall. मतलब इसमें 3 layer wall जो है वो रहेगा. And these layers are important for the future organ development. मतलब ये layer किसके लिए जरूरी है? ये layer ही आगे चल के अलग-अलग part में develop होके अलग-अलग organ में develop होगे. For example, ectoderm important for the hair and skin, and that's why it is the outer side. It present in outer side. Mesoderm present in middle side, and from the mesoderm muscles are developed. ठीक है, muscles इससे develop होके, iris muscles develop, connective tissues develop. So this thing developed by the mesoderm. Okay, I will send some picture और images in group. मतलब इस क्या से क्या डेवलप होता है उसके पिक्चर में भेज दूंगा. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट इज द एंडोडर्म बिकॉज लिस्ट इज अ लॉन्ग, दैट्स व्हाई हम पूरा का पूरा नहीं ले सकते. सो इन केस ऑफ एंडोडर्म इनर ऑर्गन्स आर डेवलप. ठीक है. एंडोडर्म के केस में क्या क्या होगा? इनर ऑर्गन डेवलप हो गए, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल टंग, टॉन्सिल्स, फेरिंग्स, इसोफेगस, स्टमक, स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन, लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन. ओके. हाँ यस, आउटर में नर्वस सिस्टम भी है नंदिश, करेक्ट. तो वो पूरा लिस्ट में भेज दूंगा. एक्टोडर्म में है वो नर्वस सिस्टम. ओके. सो दिस थिंग आर डेवलप फ्रॉम द डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ लेयर. सो यू कैन सी द जर्नी ऑफ डेवलपमेंट ऑफ लेयर हियर. यहाँ पर आप जर्नी देख सकते हो. फॉर एग्जांपल दिस इज इनर सेल मास. ओके. दिस इज ट्रोपोब्लास्ट, दिस इज अ ब्लास्टोसिस्ट. यहाँ पर डेवलपमेंट स्टार्ट हो गया. एमनियोटिक कैविटी डेवलप हियर. फॉर्मेशन ऑफ एक्स्ट्रा एम्ब्रियोनिक मेम्ब्रेन यहाँ पर डेवलप हुआ. एंड हियर यू कैन सी द डिफरेंट लेयर्स. सो मेसोडर्म यहाँ पर फॉर्म हो गया. दिस इज आउटर साइड लेयर, दैट इज एक्टोडर्म. दिस इज इनर साइड लेयर, ये इनर साइड लेयर रहेगा. ठीक है. हाँ अरुण, इन केस ऑफ इनर ऑर्गन देयर हैव टंग, टॉन्सिल, इसोफेगस, स्टमक, स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन, लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन, ऐसा. हाँ मेसोडर्म में मसल्स, ब्लड वेन, हाँ वो सब भेज दूंगा मैं. हाँ ब्लड सेल वगैरह ये सारा चीजें ना मेसोडर्म में होता है नंदेश. सो डोंट वरी अबाउट इट, आई विल सेंड इमेजेस फॉर दिस. ठीक है. चलिए यहाँ पे और क्लियरली देख सकते हैं आप. यू कैन सी हियर. ठीक है. दिस इज द एक्टोडर्म. ओके. दिस इज द मेसोडर्म एंड दिस इज इनर साइड एंडोडर्म. ठीक है. यहाँ पे देखिए दिस इज द इपिथेलियम मींस आउटर लेयर. इपिथेलियम मींस आउटर पार्ट. किसी भी चीज का आउटर पार्ट, दैट इज द इपिथेलियम. फॉर एग्जांपल आवर स्किन इज द इपिथेलियम. ठीक है. नर्वस टिश्यू आल्सो फॉर्म बाय द एक्टोडर्म. अगेन मसल्स एंड कनेक्टिव टिश्यू फॉर्म दिस मेसोडर्म पार्ट. ठीक है. तो ऐसी चीजें हमें यहाँ पे देखने को मिलती है. नंदिश आई विल सेंड अ लिस्ट. ठीक है. डोंट वरी अबाउट इट, देखेंगे. ठीक है. चलिए आगे चलते हैं. So this is all about the gastrulation and how gastrulation happens. So you can see here, यहाँ पर एक प्रोसेस आप लोगों को दिया गया है, but it is not important. Please remember this thing, that is 3 layer and how it develop. How it develop in the sense which organs are developed from the 3 layer. ठीक है. बस इतना important. बाकी नहीं ध्यान में रहा तो चलेगा, कोई इशू नहीं. ठीक है. So this is for today's session. Because in last session इतना ही complete हुआ है, that's why. Before leaving the class, please give me answer of NPS, and after that you can leave for a take.